Hi, Paul here. Today I'm going to show you how to place grids in Photoshop, just like the one in my screen. You can use grids to place object proportionally in your canvas or your frame, your graphics design. You can also use it to do something called a thirds rule, where you can position your objects at intersections at where there's point of interest. Now let's begin. Now for you to access grids, you can always just come to the views here and you go direct to new guide layout, and here if you just click it, will activate the grids. The grids you see in my screen are the ones that I put initially. Dialog box here will come in your screen. The next thing you are supposed to do, there are many options here. Now if I click this one here, you see all my columns are gone. If I want to bring my columns, I'll just click there. If I click this one, all my rows will be gone. If I click it back and tick it, all the rows will be gone. Now you can easily define the type of rows and numbers of columns you want. You can always come and position your cursor here, and you have this arrows pointing this direction. So you can easily increase it to 12, 10, or you can just manually place the number. Maybe you want 9. Also same to the rows, maybe you want 9 also. So you can easily place, and you realize that coming in doubles. They're coming in doubles because this data is activated. If I clear all this data, maybe I put 0, see all of them are gone, also 0. You can also adjust, maybe you put 10, it will be thin, also maybe 10, thin, so that you have gutter. You can also adjust the gutter. You can just bring your arrow, you can easily adjust the gutter like that. Also adjust this side like that, but I don't want the gutter. Maybe I'll just place 0, and also here 0. And also there's the margins. If I uncheck the margins, you'll see the margins on top here are gone. If I click it, you see the margins here at the top will be there. If I remove all this, I only want the margins. You can always just have the margins like that. So I just leave the margins. You can also adjust the margins. Maybe you want the margins to be maybe now 30 instead of 20, maybe at the top also. So you'll have to change all of them. 30, maybe also this one 30, also maybe this one 30. So you can easily change. That is that. Then there's another option here. Maybe let me just bring all the columns and rows back. There's another option here where you can customize. You can click this down arrow. They're given predefined default or predefined columns. Or so if you click this one, it just give you 8 columns. This predefined 12 will give you grids, will just give you 12, 16, just like that, and also 24. But if I don't want that, you can also make your own that you'll always be using frequently, like the one I made here, called a thirds with gutter, so that I always have a thirds with gutter. Now I want us to make one and save it. For example, now I'll clear everything here. I'll put everything here 0, 0, everything here is 0, and everything here is 0. Everything is 0. Then I just press OK. Now I'll come again to the view and come to new guides from new guide layout. I'll start from scratch. Maybe I'll just activate columns. I don't want gutter, I'll just remove it. Maybe I want 3. Also row, I'll activate. I want 3, just like that. I don't want the gutter, I'll delete it. Maybe I want the margins. I just want the margins. Then I'll come here under custom and save presets. So I'll just save it. I'll give it a name. I'll come and save it maybe here somewhere in where I save my Photoshop aspects. So I'll come to the grids here. Maybe give it a name as a third rule grids. So I'll just save it like that. Then there we have it. Then I just press OK. So if I want to clear all the grids, what do? I'll just come to view and I'll just come clear guides, and all of them will fall. And then if I want to bring them back, I'll just come. This time I want to use the one that I just made. So maybe let's do this. Let's try now. If I want to use the one I made, I'll just come here and choose this one, the third grids, and they'll be there. Now how do you use the grids? I'll come here again. I'll come view. I just then I just say okay. Make sure you press okay if you want them to remain. Now how do I use the grids? I'll always come here. Maybe I want to use a third rules. Remember, a third rules, you put the objects where there is an intersection, point of interest. This lady, maybe I put here so that intersects here and there. That's how to use the grids in Photoshop, how to place them and use them. Kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also give it a thumbs up and also share it with your friends. Have a nice day. Watch the next video.